producer told me that I'd be going to Bombay to witness the filming of an action sequence, I was imagining explosions, car crashes, ticking time bombs, all sorts of disasters. You know, dangerous, exciting, high-stakes action. Not realizing, though, that the action sequence is a part of a larger story that may not warrant all of these calamities. So, though the action sequence that I witnessed was smaller in scale than I had imagined, its relative simplicity made the process of creation clear. And I still thoroughly enjoyed myself. We're on the streets of Mumbai, which are very much a part of the set of Sanjay Jha's third directorial undertaking called Mumbai Chaka Chak, starring Rahul Bose, Cyrus Brocha, both of whom play street cleaners and sweepers, Aisha Dharker, Mandira Bedi. Now, the film is being made with the active support and participation of the Mumbai Municipal Corporation, and in fact, the actors sweeping up with Rahul and Cyrus are all municipal workers. Today, though, we're going to have the opportunity to watch a fight sequence which is being choreographed and directed by action director Manohar Verma, and we're hoping to get a little bit of an insight into the filming and the creation of an action sequence.
We have more than 8 shots.
Okay, that's for the action sequence?
For the action sequence, because we have to take different cuts. And in that, Rahul and Cyrus, they hit Suresh Menon because he's throwing the garbages on the road and they are cleaning.
That should be from quite some distance.
Correct, Suresh? Then, then this leg shot. Suresh, leg shot है, चल रहा है. And रुक जा भी, ये रुक जा. ये सब मैं इंटरकट शॉट ले रहा हूँ. उसका लुक से ये आ गया. देख, हाँ. उसके बाद then you go and you just take the
Gabbar Singh का entry है ये.
Can you explain what your exact role as action director is?
See, my as action director, director tell us like we have to do that like that Suresh Menon is doing all the garbages. So how they're going to fight, that situation should come out.
Right.
So then we take the build-up shots.
Right.
Like how the aggression comes, you know, like how you get wild, like.
Right.
We have to provoke the person who's sweeping, like, you know?
Right. So the director comes to you with the story behind the action sequence, and then you choreograph and design it. Right. So I'm also guessing that you have every single thing planned out, every shot choreographed already.
Everything, we have taken the rehearsals also earlier.
Which of course you want to do for any action film, right?
Sanjay made the storyboard also, and he always does the storyboard, like what shot we are going to do.
Right.
Storyboards give you the detail to every technician as well as the cameraman. Everybody knows what we are going to do, where our camera will be there.
So you basically, I imagine that you would then want it to be more realistic and less fantastic.
Yeah, because
right?
you know,
less acrobatics.
We try to make it realistic, but in that we want to put more comedy.
Right.
So
you're not using any invisible
like
wires
or
explosions,
no,
etc.
Because this film, what it demands,
yeah,
we are doing according to the script.
Right.